Hi, Dr. Marta here. You know what Rejuvalift offers is really a lifestyle program. In this segment, we'll take a look at the steps you take in your day-to-day routine to use our products and keep your skin looking healthy and young. 5 simple steps will address various aspects of your skin's care: cleaning and cleansing, toning, hydrating, treating, moisturizing, and touch up with Rejuvalift Advanced Tightening and Lifting Serum. Think of these steps as your beauty routine. It's a great part of your day. Each step is designed to provide a lasting benefit and prepare your skin for the next one. The following step locks in these results. Improvement is visible and immediate. Plus, sticking to your Rejuvalift routine can also create progressive results that improve your skin even more over time. Step 1. Cleaning and cleansing. In matters of the skin, cleaning refers to your daily washing, while cleansing is a broader, deeper term. Cleansing may include purification, elimination, and even the purging of substances that can clog pores and cause premature aging. Cleaning basically is washing your face. Must be performed at least twice a day. Never miss washing your face with a cleaning product at night as the first step in your routine. Stay away from rough soaps and detergents and opt for those which are gentler on your skin and also kinder on the planet. Cleansing includes exfoliating, but make sure you also cleanse from within by eating properly, staying hydrated, managing stress, and getting enough sleep. Step 2. Toning. The step of cleaning with soaps can lead to irritation and sometimes the proliferation of unsightly spots. A toner will help you avoid these and prep your skin for the next step after cleaning it with soap. Step 3. Hydration. Hydrating the skin means bringing water to it. Like the rest of your body, water makes up a great proportion of your skin. And just like you, it will not survive without water. When properly hydrated, your skin appears more supple, bouncy, and youthful. For this job, use the highly acclaimed Rejuvalift 4D Hydrating Serum. Our Rejuvalift 4D contains hyaluronic acid, which loves water and has very similar characteristics to our epidermis. This makes Rejuvalift 4D the perfect carrier to boost hydration. It also contains different types and sizes of hyaluronic acid to deliver hydration to different levels of the skin in a prolonged manner. And as hyaluronic acid is produced naturally by our body, an additional ingredient is incorporated that will help you produce your own supply, called synhycan. We add vitamin B3 or niacinamide, which not only penetrates your skin easily, but is known to promote collagen production, key to retaining water. Join us next time for the final 2 steps of your daily Rejuvalift skincare routine. I'm Dr. Marta, reminding you that beautiful skin is possible right now. Until next time, thanks for watching.